Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, today I am going to explain you test paper 5, and every test paper at the end of the chapter comprises of all the types of question given in the chapter. So you have studied the chapter fractions and I have explained you each and everything very clearly. Still, if there is any confusion in any topic, you can comment down in the comment section. I will be explaining it to you. So today I will be explaining you some questions, that questions will be from test paper 5, page number 103. So let's begin. Question number 1 is, define a fraction, give 5 examples of fractions. So you have to do this question in your maths homework copy by your own. Now coming to the second question, what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? Okay. Question number 2 says that what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? So my question from all of you is, please comment down the answers in the comment section. 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? Please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Very good students. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60 minutes. So we have to find out what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes. So 35 upon 60 will give you the fraction. Okay. So can it be reduced? How to reduce this 35 upon 60? In order to reduce it, you have to find out the HCF of 35 and 60. Okay students. So 35 ones are 35, because 35 twos are 70, that is more than 60. I am solving the HCF for you. So now it will be 25, again 25 ones are 25, 10 is remaining, again 10 twos are 20, what is remaining? 5 is remaining, 5 twos are 10. So what is the highest common factor of 35 and 60? The highest common factor of 35 and 60 is 5. So now we have find out the HCF. Now we have found the HCF. Now we can reduce this fraction. So how to reduce it? Divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by their HCF. So the HCF is 5. So divide them 5. So 5 sevens are, and then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 7 upon 12 is the right answer. I hope you must have understood students. You have to solve this question in your maths classwork copy. Okay, question number 1 has to be done in the maths homework copy. Now coming to the third option, find the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 8 with denominator 56. We have to find out an equivalent fraction of 5 upon 8 with denominator 56. So we know what is the denominator, but we don't know what is the numerator of this question. So how do we find out the equivalent fractions? I have already explained you in the previous videos also. So if you know the answer, please pause the video and then reply to me in the comment section. Very good. 8 sevens are 56. To make it 56, 8 has to be multiplied by 7. So same goes with the numerator, 5 has to be multiplied by 7. So here it will be 35. So the numerator will be 35. So an equivalent fraction with denominator 56 of 5 upon 8 is 35 upon 56. What is the answer students? It is 35 upon 56. So I hope you must have understood. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 4. Represent 2 whole 3 upon 5 on the number line. Okay. What we have to represent on the number line? 2 whole and 3 upon 5. So let's begin without wasting time. This question also has to be done in the maths classwork copy. Question number 4, right? 2 whole and 3 upon 5. So this is O, that is 0. Now we have to represent from here 1 and then 2. This is 2 whole. Now we have to represent 3 upon 5 on the number line. So 2 3 upon 5. Once you will solve this fraction, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3. It is 13 upon 5. And once you will divide this, 5 2s are 10. 3 remainder. पॉइंट लगाएंगे जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. वंस यू विल डिवाइड 13 by 5, 5 2s are 10. 3 remainder, you will place a decimal point and add 1 0, then it will be 5 6 are 30. That means this point lies between 2.6. 2 3 upon 5 is 2.6. That means it lies between 2 and 3. 2 और 3 के बीच में है. ये आपका 2 और 3 के बीच में है. So how many divisions we have to make between 2 and 3? I have already told you. Since it is 2 whole 3 upon 5. So you have to look for the denominator. The denominator is 5. So we have to make in total how many divisions between 2 and 3? 5 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth one will be 3. So in total we have to make 5 divisions between 2 and 3. And the numerator is 3, so we have to mark the numerator there. So 1 2 3. So this is 3. So this point is 2 whole 3 upon 5. We have represented 2 whole 3 upon 5 on the number line. अगर मैं आपको इसका एक एग्जाम्पल और समझा देती हूँ so that you understand it well. But yes, you only have to do only question number 4 in the maths class for copy. जो एग्जाम्पल बताऊंगी वो आपको नहीं करना. For example, you have to represent 3 5 upon 7 on the number line. 3 whole 5 upon 7. So this point lies between 3 and 4. And how many divisions will be there between 3 and 4? Check the denominator. The denominator is 7. So between 3 and 4 there will be total how many divisions? 7 division, and we have to mark the fifth point. Let me represent it for you. O 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. Now this point lies between 3 and 4. So in between 3 and 4, how many divisions will be there? 7 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the seventh one will be 4. So we have to represent what? Check the numerator. The numerator is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth point. So this is the point 3 whole 5 upon 7. This is how we have to represent the fractions on the number line. I hope it is clear, students. Now coming to the question number 5. Find the sum. So in this question you have to add all the 3 fractions. The first step is to convert them into improper fraction. The second step would be to take the LCM of the denominators and make the denominators same. After making the denominator same, we will retain the common denominator and we will add the numerators. After adding the numerators, you will get a final fraction that will be your answer. So you have to convert that fraction into mixed fraction. So question number 5 is also your homework which you have to do in your maths homework copy. Okay students, very easy question. I know you all will be able to do that. After doing the question, please, it's a request and it's also mandatory. Please match your answers from the back which are given at the end of. Then there will be a possibility that your answer might be wrong. If you are solving 2-3 times, then your answer is correct. The answer given at the back of the book must be wrong. Okay students. So now what you have to do, we have to solve question number 6. So please pay attention. Question number 6 is, the cost of a pen is rupees 16 2 upon 3. First statement, cost of a pen. And what is the cost of pencil? Cost of a pencil is rupees 4 1 upon 6. Rupees 4 1 upon 6. Cost of pencil. Okay. Now, which costs more and by how much? Since how much is written, so we have to subtract in order to find out these answer. 16 2 upon 3 minus 4 1 upon 6. Now since it is a mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction. 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 2, 50 upon 3 minus 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 upon 6. Now what is the LCM of 3 and 6? Since 3 and 6 comes in the same table, highest number will be their LCM. So 6 is the LCM. So to make it 6, 3 has to be multiplied by 2 and 6 is already 6. So there is no point of multiplying it with any number. Now let's solve this. Let me rub this in order to write the next steps of this question. So 100 minus 25 upon 6 is equals to rupees 75 upon 6. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction as it is an improper fraction. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So it will be 12 whole, rupees 12 whole and 3 upon 6. Okay, rupees 12 whole and 3 upon 6. Yes, as you all can see that we can reduce it. So firstly I will reduce it. 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15 and then 3 twos are 6. So the final answer will be changed now because it can be reduced. So 25 upon 2 can be written as rupees 12 1 upon 2. Okay, because 2 12s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So we can say that the cost of which one is more costly, pen or pencil? 50 upon 3 is greater or 25 upon 6 is greater? Tell me students, which fraction is greater, 50 upon 3 or 25 upon 6? Obviously 50 upon 3 is greater than 25 upon 6. That means the cost of a pen is greater than the cost of pencil by how much? By rupees 12 1 upon 2. I hope you must have understood students. Now the next question is question number 7 of 3 by 4 and 5 by 7, which is greater and by how much? So this question was in your exercise. We have solved this question. Question number 25, page number 99. So leave this question, don't do this question. Now the next question is convert the fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 9 and 5 by 6 into like fractions. So how to convert the fractions into like fractions? Take the LCM of the denominators and then the fractions will be converted into like fractions. So this also you have to do in your maths classwork copy. Question number 7 आपको नहीं करना because that is already done. Now coming to question number 9. Find an equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 30. So let me rub this for you. Question number 9. 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 having denominator 30. So to make it 30, 5 has to be multiplied by 6. Same goes with the numerator. So the numerator will be 3 6 are 18. So we have solved question number 19 also. Coming to question number 9. Now we have to solve question number 10. Reduce 84 upon 98 to its simplest term. We have to reduce this number to its simplest term. So how will we reduce it? We have to find out the HCF of 84 and 98. So to proceed with the HCF, we will use the long division method. 84, 98. 84 ones are 84. 14 is remaining. Now again 84. 14 के टेबल में 84 या उससे कम क्या आता है? 14 6 are 84. 84 comes in the table of 14. 14 6 are 84. So 14 is the HCF of 84 and 98. So in order to reduce to its lowest term, we will divide the numerator and the denominator by 14. So 14 6 are 84 and 14 7s are 98. Okay students, so the final answer will be 6 upon 7. So this test paper is also done. This chapter is over now. some multiple choice questions are left which we will be doing in the next 2 days. So I hope you must have understood. If there is any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.